The Carrizo Plain is California's last natural grassland. It's 250,000 acres. 300 years ago, this central valley supported elk, antelope, in the springtime, thousands and thousands of flowers. It's a great area to explore. There's Indian petroglyphs and many dirt roads to browse and investigate.
Later when you get back, you gotta go up there and take a picture from up there down here.
Okay. Well, here we go. Checking out the Carrizo Plain. I might want to air down just a little bit. Let it move. Yeah, that's Henry on his 350 Husky. Not too shabby. Henry's got a new helmet. These little guys were everywhere. It's mating season for the tarantulas, and these guys were on the move. We must have seen at least 10 or 15 tarantulas while we were there.
I think they're pretty harmless.
Yeah. Yeah, pick him up.
No.
You know, if I let the air down, and I could take my V-Strom up here, no problem. It's a nice road. Isn't that pretty? Wow. Very nice. Well, pretty washboardy. Boy, it's fun letting this little 250 kind of swing around a little bit. On the Tenere, that scares the hell out of me. But on the 250, it's pretty nice. Or a 300, KLX 300. Yeah, look at this. This is pretty cool. See if Henry's here. That old barn. People try to make a living out here and just didn't quite do it. Now, what you're looking at across the way there, the San Andreas Fault runs all along the bottom part of those mountains. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Look at that. Isn't that neat looking? Pretty lonely country out here. Can't imagine the pioneers or people that tried to homestead this area, because there's hardly, you know, I don't know where they get water from. It's got to be down deep. There's a lot of failed ranches around here that, you know, old buildings that are vacated now. But it's an interesting area.
was a fun ride. We went out to Maricopa, little town, had lunch, and came back here. Did a little bit of filming as well as heading back. You want your buns toasted?
Sure.
Okay. I had my salt gun. Have you seen the salt gun?
Yeah, I did. I saw that.
Yeah, I mean, I'd be going bam, bam. I'd need a pound of salt.
Chef Mini.
Yeah. Chef Boyar Mini.
Chef Mini, thank you.
Yeah. I think we saw about out and back, going out towards the highway, probably 6 tarantulas.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't see any go into Maricopa that way.
I don't remember either, but yeah, going out this way, they were all over the place. Yeah.
Wonder why they're concentrated more over there.
Man, I went up this one road, this afternoon when I went out. I went up this one road, and coming back, there was a tarantula, and I stopped because I wanted to film him, and I stopped probably, maybe to the edge of the camp thing right there.
Yeah.
I turned around, he was freaking gone. I don't know where he went.
They don't move that fast.
I know. The only thing to think of is he tucked into the bushes or the side of the grassy stuff, because I looked all over, I couldn't find him.
Oh, you know what happened? He saw a female.
It's
on the go.
It's possible. It's possible. You know what they do though? The female, the male has to get out of there quick because the female will kill him.
Yeah, that's the same with the black widow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, women are vicious.
Yeah, but Kathy always tells me, you better.
Yeah. Oh man. I was gonna look up how to tell a male tarantula from a female. Okay, here we go. How to tell if a tarantula is male or female. Tarantula females are larger and bulkier than males. Female tarantulas have broader, I don't even know what that is. Probably hips.
I was gonna say
that was a good way of saying it. It's so Isare. Yeah. Hey Bob, look at that gal over there in the gym. She's got big old Salisares.
This is Science with Henry.
Yeah. Yeah. And then in a few minutes we're going to have Fire Pyrotechnics by Bob. Bob's Pyrotechnics. Whoa.
Officer, his name is Henry Mini. I had nothing to do with it.
Yeah. It'd be a good time to have Jim the storyteller here.
Yeah. Yeah. Daryl tells some pretty good ones too.
Yeah. What was your discussion with that PG&E guy? It was kind of lengthy. What were you asking him?
Oh, I said, hey, is Maricopa this way or that way? And he goes, it's that way. And then I go, really? And he goes, well, he gets his phone out. And he goes, oh, sorry, no, it's this way.
Oh, he really didn't know where it was either.
Yeah.
We packed up the next morning, headed home, with still many places left to explore. We're going to have to go back there again.